Yeah, what's up, homie? It's dedicated to all the gangsters, hustlers, drug dealers, and every one of you outside there. Shit. A young boy raised up in the ghetto. The life he's living is hard as a metal. And now just like a hustler's life in the middle of the night, he fights with a knife, tears in the eyes of his murder's wife. Losing his one son, he died by the gun of a drug dealer. The illest killers, hey, the illest killers. It's hard to explain the pictures of pain nailed to her brain. Now we love her son is lost in the rain. She waits in vain for the next coming rain. She sleeps and weeps for many weeks. I think she's getting weak. So much pressure makes her sleep. A little son in the city of sin, smoking weed and drinking gin. A young boy, not even 17. Hey, not even 17. Hey, not even 16. Mama left with a body bag. See the tears going down on your mama's eyes. Mama cries and cries when the sun dies, cause it's no cheap time to say goodbye. How could you put tears in your mama's eyes? Ain't nothing like gangsta's paradise. Ain't nothing like gangsta's paradise. So you better wake up and realize, man, take some time to analyze what's the real value of human life. Baby, pay the price to stay alive. Maybe you'll see the light in clean sight before you wake up in the dark side. But thugs and right. Baby, better get off the red light. What do you want to end up to the devil's side? Life is stuck down over here. Loved ones lost down through the years. Shed many tears for many peers. Tupac, Biggie Small, Son Master J, Daddy O'Brien.